OTCMKTS is once again teaming up with Parley to create collective awareness around saving our oceans from devastating plastic pollution. Everyone can become an ambassador and join the global movement to save our oceans by taking part in a collection digital run set for June 5th through the 10th. On World Oceans Day, June 8th, a collective of over 500 runners will take to New York City for a nighttime run, illuminated the streets with blue lights as they race. Adidas teamed up with Parley to help spread awareness and transform ocean plastic pollution into high-performance sportswear, spinning the problem into a solution. The thread, into a thread. We have already taken the first steps to reduce and ultimately eliminate virgin and single-use plastic from our products, said Eric Liedtke, executive board member of Adidas ADDYY, global brands. In doing so, we have shown that it is possible, and that people care, but now we must accelerate and scale. As a creator brand, we believe that necessity drives innovation, and that solving the toughest problems only makes us and our products better, all while doing less harm to the world. Adidas initially partnered with Parley to create a 3D shoe, the Parley Ocean Plastic. The shoes sold out almost immediately. It is likely that Adidas will release another run of the Parley Ocean Plastics, cementing their commitment to saving the oceans, and creating more awareness and excitement around 3D printed footwear.